cars. This engine has been here ever since and has been the backbone of our diesel operations. Now, this locomotive is a GP7. It produces about 1,500 horsepower. Now, a common misconception about diesel locomotives is that it is only powered by a diesel engine. While it does have a diesel engine in there, that diesel engine is actually spinning a generator, and that generator is producing electricity, and then that electricity is fed down into the traction motors on the axles down here, and it's those traction motors that are powered by that electricity that propels the locomotive. So the technical term is not diesel locomotive, it is a diesel electric locomotive.